Core Presto is an excellent gadget for easily making cores and preparing stuffed zucchinis. With 3 sizes of cutting blades, it's perfect for space saving, since the blades that are not in use can be stored inside the handle. Pampered Chef Batter Mixer and Dispenser is a wonderful kitchen tool for anyone who wants a simple way to mix and dispense batter of all kinds. You simply add your liquid ingredients to the container first, then your dry ingredients, and you're done. Automatic Vegetable Slicer is a 4-in-1 electric spiralizer automatic vegetable slicer. With just a push of a button, you can create veggie pastas, veggie salads, stir fries, coleslaw, curly fries, and more with no mess and no waste. The Oxo Good Grips is a handheld spiralizer that creates curly noodles from zucchinis, cucumbers, and other long vegetables for pasta-like dishes. The open blade design also accommodates round vegetables like potatoes and beets for curly fries. The Neo 3-in-1 Egg Boiler is a must-have addition to any kitchen, whether you prefer your eggs hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, or as an omelet. This gadget will cook them to perfection with a capacity of up to 7 eggs, ideal for any busy family and is a quick and easy solution for any mealtime. Flycorp 9-in-1 is a vegetable slicer cutter that comes with a built-in drainage system that allows you to clean it in a very convenient manner, giving you more time to relax and eat what you finished cooking rather than wasting time cleaning other. Spin Mop is a hard floor cleaner that works on sealed hard floors, including tile, vinyl, linoleum, and hardwood floors. It comes with a pair of soft touch cleaning pads for everyday messes and a pair of scrubby pads that clean tough, sticky messes.